Welcome to day 7. I'm looking very, very sleepy this morning for very good reason, because I was up all hours of the night sorting out our new website.
Yes, it's very exciting.
But it's all worth it because it's live. Now, don't get too excited because the online classes are not ready yet. No. They're not coming until January.
We're starting to film them today.
Yes.
So we're off to do that later.
We are. So it's a really exciting day, isn't it? 'Cause there's 3 super exciting things happening.
There is. First one is we're going to draw the Cozy Cardi Challenge winners today. So those will be announced over the weekend.
Yes.
And then
Nikki's been working very, very hard on producing some PDFs, PDF patterns for 3 of the classes that we were originally going to put up as online Christmas classes.
That's right.
And because we had to push back the deadline, we thought maybe you would still want to make super cute elf decorations.
Yes, you do.
And Christmas present cushions and quilted stockings.
Yes.
So Nikki's produced some lovely PDFs for you to download. They are available to buy on our website right now. Yes. And yeah, we've got an offer on as well. So if you, they're £5 each, but if you fancy all 3, you can use the discount code Xmas18PDF.
Brilliant.
And you will get all 3 of them for £12.50.
Bargain.
So that's awesome.
All your Christmas making is taken care of.
Yes, and then the other very exciting thing, like Nikki said, is we're filming our first class today. We've had to push it back for various reasons, but we're going in the studio today and we're going to be filming our very first class. And that's all super exciting. I'm behind the camera today because you can't hide these bags.
I've got a lot of makeup on.
Yeah, so have I, but I think it's not going to last. That's the difference. Huh?
So it's super exciting. So head over to our website, which is www.thestitchsisters.co.uk, and you can see all the PDFs there.
Woohoo!
We'll see you later.
So as you can see, we're in the studio. There's Nikki, and she is featuring in our very first class, online class. So she has the nerve-wracking job of staring into the camera without the flip top that we both rely on heavily usually, don't we?
Yeah.
And so she's having to like actually look into the lens, and it's a bit tricky, isn't it?
I'm having to trust you.
Yes.
I don't look ridiculous.
Yes, and we are doing lots of takes because we want it to be absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
So we are working really hard. But as you can see from when we were here the other day, things have changed a little bit in here.
The lighting's much better.
Looking a lot more
like a proper studio
like
now.
A proper studio, yeah.
It's awesome.
Now we're off for lunch.
Yay! We'll take you too. my living room just for a bit of a change of scene. The dog's here, everybody. Cheers.
Yes, it's the end of a week, end of what feels like a bit of a long week, I think. And we're both looking forward to having the weekend off.
Off.
So we're not doing any work. We'll hopefully get some sewing done, but it will be purely selfish.
Yes.
Sewing.
Selfish sewing and downtime.
Yes. I might get some knitting done. I might just sit and watch Christmas movies and knit. I'm not really sure yet. But yes, that weekend is ours to do with as we wish.
Yes, we're drinking rhubarb gin, which is very lovely. Right, Advent time.
Yes, it's your turn.
My turn.
It's the 7th.
What?
Maisie's turn.
Maisie. Every time you sit on the floor, Maisie decides that you have to play with her.
Play.
She's got her ball. Have you got her your ball? Here then, come on, show everyone your ball.
She won't give up that
Very
ball.
excited. It's a squeaky ball, as you can hear. Right, so what day is it today?
7. It's the big square one in the bottom.
I've been looking forward to this one. So, number 7, we're going to open it now. Ooh!
More lace.
Lace! And stretchy lace this time. This is knicker lace, is
it? You can make knickers from that. Little pair of Brazilians.
A very, very small pair of knickers. But it's very beautiful. Yeah. Look at that.
So black lace for me, white lace for you.
That's right, isn't it? That's how we would normally do it.
Yeah, probably. If it's lace tomorrow though, that's going to be taking the lace a little bit too far, I think.
Yes.
Awesome. Right, well we're going to crack on with drinking our gin.
And doing some Cozy Cardi Challenge.
Yes, we've got some Cozy Cardi Challenge prizes to draw, which we'll be sharing on stories, so we're not going to do it on here.
No, it's going to come up over the weekend.
We'll share some of the prize winners and Amanda will share some of the others, so make sure you're following us both on Instagram if you want to find out who's won. And Nikki's hopefully going to get your tree delivered, aren't you?
Yes, I'm waiting on it being delivered now, so I'll insert some footage of it. The kids starting to put the decorations up as well, but I'll give you tomorrow, there'll be a full tour when it's all finished.
Yeah.